Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a message category on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So what you want to do is tap on your message app and you want to find a message on your phone. So let's take the first one as an example. So what you want to do from here, simply click the three dots on the upper right hand side and click on edit categories. Now from here, you want to tap on add category and you can name this whatever you want. So let me name this one work, right? And click on add. So once I do this, it will now ask you to select a group of message or a message to add to that category. And from here, I will just use the first one as an example. So let me tap this message, then click on done. And as you can see, it adds work to the category. So now you can see that I have an inbox, which shows 102 messages and a work with a particular category. Now that's it, guys. That's how you easily go ahead and add a category on your phone. So at any point in time you want to go ahead and select a particular category on your phone, all you have to do is go to your message. Then from here you can easily tap the work category right next to the inbox. So as you can see to the top, these are my inbox, and right next to the top you see work. I can tap on that and you can see all of those messages in this particular category. You can always go from here and add other messages to the category by simple tap on add conversations, and that will take you into your messages and you can add various messages there. Now from now on, anytime you receive text messages from that particular number, it will be added under the particular category. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.